With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says read the following statements A to D and then find out the number of the wrong statements here. So the first statement is that the character blend in heterozygous condition during the Mendelian inheritance. While we see that there is law of segregation, which was the Mendel's law, and this law was the Mendel's first law, and it was explained in this law that the factors or the Mendelian characters, they do not blend with each other. So while we see that in a typical cross, if in a F1 hybrid we see only one of the parental characters, that is the dominant character tall, then this character is again going to, while we see that the dwarf is not appearing here, while we see that dwarf will again appear in the F2 generation. So that means there is no blending, and whatever height was this of the tall parent plant will be the same height as a F1 hybrid, while the dwarf parent plant height will be same as that of the F2 recessive here. Right, so here we see that the law of segregation says that there will be no blending or mixing of the characters even in the heterozygous state, that means in the F1 hybrid, that is capital T small t. So even if capital T is present and along with the small t is present, it doesn't mean that these two have got blended to each other. Right, so this statement which is given here is a wrong statement. Second statement says that change in a single base pair does not cause mutation. While we see an example of a point mutation, and a very common example of this is a sickle cell anemia, in which change in one single base pair from GAG to GUG. So this was a point mutation occurring at a single point which changed the entire protein, which led to the defective hemoglobin as well as the change in the shape of the RBCs, which now changed to sickle shaped and caused this defect. So this statement is also wrong here. The third one says that the cancerous cell show chromosomal aberrations. This statement is the right statement because the cancer cells do show chromosomal aberrations. Some of the genes, they get changed or they get mutated when the cancer cells are formed. So here we see is correct, while in insects the sex determination is done by XXX0 type. That means the males are having one chromosome less than the females, while the inheritance pattern which is written here, males are ZZ and females are ZW. This is seen in case of birds and not insects. So this statement is also wrong. So we can mark option number 4 as a right answer for this question, because in this question only one statement, that is statement number 3, is the correct one. Rest all the statements are the wrong statements. This is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.